we'll just do one-on-one.
Okay, Hen, let's do this.
Okay. So I think we need to, oh my God, ayan na. We need to introduce ourselves first.
Okay.
Diba? I'm Henry Kikitain.
I
I'm
am-
the creative head of Star Creatives at ABS-CBN. And this is my friend,
Grace Ibuna, entrepreneur.
entrepreneur.
Diba?
Ano bang business mo?
Marami.
Like? Like what?
Normally, I do package projects. So, iba-iba.
For the government?
Yeah, for government, for private sector also. But mostly for government.
Oh, kasi kahit na ang tagal nating magkaibigan, hindi ako masyadong familiar sa
Kasi
mga
nga-
pinagagawa mong business, lahat ng pinagkakaperahan mo.
Kailangan bang i-discuss ang pinagkakaperahan?
At least ako alam mo ang ano ko, ginagawa ko. I do teleseries,
alam mo na-
Can't Buy Me Love, and the rest, Ironheart, and I've been in the industry for 26 years.
26?
Yeah, nagsimula ako
Well,
sa
I've
ABS
been in
sa
business for
1998.
what? Since I was born.
Oh, there's some...
Di ba, narinig mo sabi ng mami ko, we all have to work.
Yes.
So yeah, but our company's into port business, the port
Yeah,
management business.
pag-aari nila ang lahat ng mga port dito sa Pilipinas.
Hindi naman.
Konti lang.
Konti lang.
Konti lang.
May gitna ng 10 daliri. Di ba, joke?
Kaya yun.
Kaya
So,
yung carry.
ganun siya kayaman. Ako,
Hindi naman.
wala. Galing ako sa isa kaming maglulupa. Galing ako sa pamilya ng mga maglulupa. Siya galing sa pamilya ng mga manglalangit.
Hindi naman malulangit. Negosyante lang. Tapos nagkataon naman yung lolo ko, politician, di ba? Tapos sumunod din ako sa kanya. So, I think after him, ako na yung kasunod na politician in the family. So,
Okay. So anyway, pag nakita nyo kaming dalawa, we're really worlds apart. As in, and paano ba nagsama ang isang Henry at ang isang Grace? Paano tayo nagkakilala at nag-meet?
Okay.
Natatandaan mo ba kung
Oo.
anong year?
Ay, wait. Parang 2017.
Yeah, kasi I don't know, hindi ko na rin matandaan kung kailan natapos ang The Legal Wife. Basta ang alam ko, after yon ng show ko na The Legal Wife. Kasi tapos na ang The Legal Wife when I Met You.
Correct, correct.
So, it's around that year, 2016, 2017, I think.
Okay, so...
Siyempre, hindi ko alam kung anong year ang mga shows ko sa dami ng mga pinagagawa ko ng mga teleserye. Hindi ko na alam kung anong year yun.
Okay. Ang natatandaan ko, basta, ano pa ako noon, super depressed pa ako sa buhay ko noon. Diba?
Dati.
Dahil sa pagkamatay ni Iggy, diba? Basta I was going through depression sa ayoko lumabas ng bahay. Tapos we have a common friend, diba?
Si Joel.
Yes. Sabi niya, halika na, Twinnie, basta magbihis ka at lalabas tayo, you'll meet a friend, magkakasundo kayo.
By the way,
Oh.
para sa mga hindi nakakaalam, naging jowa niya po si Iggy Arroyo. At syempre, mas kilala siya bilang ex ni Gabby Concepcion, pero ex na siya ni Gabby Concepcion.
Yeah,
Okay?
super. Tagal na ho.
Pero si Iggy Arroyo, the brother of the first gentleman,
Yes.
Arroyo. Ayan. Yan ang naging
He's
jowa
making
niya.
me nervous.
At naging headline siya ng mga news nung nag-agawan sila ni Aleli sa bangkay ni ano.
Eh, di ba nakakahiya? Kaka-lurky.
Okay.
Kung kailan naman namatay, tsaka pa kami-
Unfiltered to, unedited, so eto kami. Eto kaming dalawa.
First of all, namatayan na kayo, buniset pa kayo, napakahirap ho nun. Pangalawa, pangit ng kalaban mo.
Anyway.
Wala silang kakwenta-kwentang kaaway. Siya tsaka yung abogado niya, yak.
Oo. So balik tayo kay Twinnie mo na si Joe Ed
Oh,
Serrano,
so-
na kaibigan ko rin dahil cast ko siya sa at that time mga ilang beses na namin
I
naging
think
cast
Pangako Sa'yo.
Pangako Sa'yo, Mariela Del Barrio, cast namin si Joe Ed Serrano, kaya kami nagkakilala ng dalawa.
Yeah, so anyway, hinatak niya ako. Tapos, hindi pa ho ako based nun. Hindi pa talaga ako based nun. Nakaano lang ako nun, di ba? Parang semi-pambahay.
Pero social siya, sa totoo lang.
So anyway, pumasok kami. Sinabi niya lang, manunood kami ng...
Bikini contest.
No, wait. Yeah. First, sinabi niya, it's a, hindi daw gay bar. Okay, guys? Sinabi niya, bikini contest. And it's not in a gay bar. So sabi ko,
Yeah.
Judge, parang ayoko naman yata Twinnie makita sa, di ba? I mean, sorry, no offense, but, di ba, hindi, paano ba yan? Hindi ako, what's the right term? Hindi naman pangit pumunta ng gay bar, right? But at that particular time, I thought hindi tamang timing for me to go kasi yun nga after nasa news ka parate tapos biglang sabi niya, ay, nagpo-profess ka ng love mo pagkatapos sa gay bar ka. So, but anyway, it was the right decision to go. So anyway, yung pagdating namin, sabi niya, sigurado, wala naman makakakilala sa'yo, Twinnie, sabi na ni Joel. Pagpasok ko, una ko nakita si Ogie Diaz. Oh my God! Gusto ko na umatras.
Oh, ayun.
Ayun na.
Tapos ako naman, judge ako talaga.
Yes.
Dahil I was invited by, I don't know, hindi ko na matandaan kung
The
sino.
convener, I think.
Oh, one of the mga producers
yes.
to judge. At suki ako talaga na mag-judge ng mga bikini contest. So when I saw Grace, it was introduced to me by Joed at that time, I was really starstruck. Na-starstruck talaga ako sa'yo.
Aww.
Kasi, nire-research ko yung life mo. Nire-research ko talaga for the legal wife before. So, napanood ko na lahat ng mga interviews mo kay Tito Boy, kay Karen Davila. Di ba may Karen Davila? So, I'm kind of familiar with your life already. Kaya nung na-meet kita at pinintroduce ka sa akin ni Joed, I was like, oh my God, it's Grace Ibuna. It's Grace Ibuna.
In short, pinagkakitaan mo ako ng bonggang-bongga. Pero it's okay.
Saka syempre, kilala kita na bilang ex nga ni Gabby Concepcion.
Yes.
Ang nanira sa...
Shout out, Shawi. Thank you for correcting it.
Kasi nung pagkakaalam naming lahat, di ba?
Yes.
Na pumasok ka sa relationship ni Sharon sa ni Gabby. Eh, at that time, although hindi ako Sharon Gabby fan, I'm more of a Gabby and Janice de Belen fan. Kasi fan talaga ako ni Janice de Belen.
But Janice is so nice.
Yeah, so at that time, meron silang puppy love na movie ni Janice sa ni Gabby.
Tsaka they really fell in love, ha?
They did?
They went out. Di ba naging sila?
I don't know. Hindi ko alam yung Hindi ko alam yung kwento na yon.
Pero was it before or after Shawi? Before
Kasi
Shawi.
puppy love nung panahon na yun.
Kailan ba sila naging sila?
Hindi ko
or
alam.
after, no? Hindi ko na rin alam.
Hindi, before pa ang...
Before
kasi
correct.
bago nagkaroon ng Gabby Sharon. Nauna na ang...
Because si Janice was my friend before. Oh, wait. Kasi si Janice and I became friend also because of Arlene Mulak.
Oh, okay.
So, kaya alam ko si Janice is very bookish. Alam mo yung tipong sa Lasal pa kami si Arlene. So, pag pupunta kami, we'll sleep over the house. Lahat kami loka-loka, si Janice nagbabasa ng libro. So that's how she was, so mabait, super mabait,
Siyempre,
super matalino.
honestly, hindi ko pa nami-meet si Janice de Belen sa tagal ko na sa industriya, would you believe, hindi pa kaming dalawa nag-meet.
As in, no way?
As in, hindi pa. The last time na I saw her was in Lipa City na isa kong fan ng bagets na humahabol. Humahabol kay Janice de Belen. And now, dahil artista ko si Kyla na anak niya sa Can't Buy Me Love. Siyempre, dahil artista namin siya, lagi ko sinasabi kay Kyla, I was a big fan of Janice de Belen, your mom. Pero hindi ko pa siya namimit. Kindly tell her, please. Kindly tell her. And I would like to, work with her one day. Eh, lagi siyang...
Busy?
Hindi, lagi siyang nasa Dreamscape. Hindi siya napupunta ng Star Creatives.
Bakit nga ba?
Hindi kakataon lang na lagi siyang kinukuha ng Dreamscape. Tapos kami,
and she's a very good di ba? She's a very effective actress.
Oo.
Nitong huling na napanood ko siya na kontrabida, sa wow. Di ba? Dahil parati siyang bida, ape.
Oo.
And then, ano ba yung teleserye niya na, sorry. Basta na kontrabida siya. She was good.
As in, sobrang galing ni Janice.
Yeah,
sobrang
Janice
galing. Kaya
really
naman,
good.
namana ng mga anak. Well, of course, the genes of John Estrada and Janice de Belen. Sina Kyla at napakabait pa ng mga anak niya. Kyla is so nice.
So, balik ho tayo dun sa paano kami nagkakilala. Anyway, tumayo kami, dinala pa kami sa back door. Siyempre, itong dalawang, kilig na kilig dahil tinitignan nila yung mga
Nasa
yung mga
backstage
naka-bikini,
Nasa
ganyan.
backstage.
Ako
Sorry.
syempre girl na girl ako, yung dalawang excited na excited. Ako parang okay, di ba? Maya-maya tinawag na ako maging
Maging judge.
maging judge.
So we were seated together.
Okay, imagine. Saka, magkakatabi kaming tatlo. Saka, how will I judge naked men? So I was copying. Pati ba naman judging ko, kinopya ko pa sa inyo?
Oo, so pinagtabi kaming dalawa.
Yes.
Pinagtabi na. And so that's where it all began.
Yes.
As in, parang the conversation just,
Flowed.
oo,
Yeah.
it just went so easily.
Yes.
Tapos,
Plus the time, I think my daughter was also with La Luna Sangre, yun yung ginagawa
hindi
mo.
but that's prior pa eh.
No, pero di ba naglalaluna pa si...
Oo, naglalaluna.
La Luna yung ginagawa mo nun.
Lalo na
eh.
ba? After
La
the
Luna.
Little Wife? Oh, okay.
La Luna. Or, La Luna. Because sabi mo, oh, your daughter's with us, remember?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, sabi ko, I know. Sabi ko na, you're part of, you wrote La Luna, di ba? So,
At that time.
La Luna
so,
Sangre. Yeah.
oo nga.
And then after, ito na maganda, after ko nakilala si Hen, tsaka lang ako nag-research. Okay, to be honest, tsaka lang ako nag-research about you. And I said, wow, I didn't expect na you are that creative, you're that smart, you know what I mean? But of course, secondary na lang yon. But what was important for me is we had fun the first night.
Yes.
Tapos ang dami nating common kwento. Tapos, okay, common comments. I think that was the best. Ang talungin natin, magkukwento pa ba naman natin kung ano ba yung mga side comments
Hi,
natin?
Kush.
Oh, this is my
Oh.
dog. This is my four-legged son.
Gusto niyang sumama sa
Chismis.
sa chismis.
Okay.
Ayan.
Yan. So, yan. Oh, don't
So,
stop daw.
apparently, after nun, I mean, hindi naman talaga tayo maging magkaibigan. I mean, after that meeting, di ba? Then,
What happened ba?
Ano ba nangyari? Bakit
No, we would-
nagsunod-sunod?
We were texting na each other. Tapos one time, ano ba nangyari?
But what really sealed the deal between us is
Oh,
when pandemic hits, actually. For me. Because when ABS-CBN shut down, then I had a mental,
Yeah.
Pero at that time, magkaibigan na tayo because I was able to call you na eh. I was calling you na eh at that time that, Grace.
Actually, nag-umpisa yon I think one time I think nag-date tayo ng lunch or parang ganon. Tapos,
Di ba pagka magkaibigan talaga, minsan namin na hindi mo na talaga matandaan. Minsan
correct.
yung exact
no,
moment.
exact moment. But I remember we got close because of our mental health issue.
Yes.
So
Yun
that
talaga yung nag-seal ng
that sealed our
sobra-sobra.
deal because at that time I was going through my depression and then I didn't know that you were going through your depression and then
Na minsan i-discuss natin in one of our
in one of our vlog, 'di ba, in next time. But then again, tapos sabi ko, we compared notes. Tapos tinanong kita kung
And
ano pinagdadaanan mo.
I was so afraid to take my meds.
Yes, yun ho. Okay, this is
I
funny.
was so afraid to take my meds.
Hindi ko
take
maintindihan kung bakit nung una takot na kasi na uminom ng gamot for your depression, your
Yeah.
anxiety. Well, and I think nag-connect tayo because ganyan din yung reaction ko, di ba? I told you, nung una.
And we were in Shangri-La kahit close sa mga kahit close sa mga, kasi it's pandemic, at close ang mga stores and
Oo.
very few stores are open. Coffee shops lang ang open yata at that time.
Yes.
Tapos we'll just hang out sa mga pasilyo lang ng Shangri-La because I was really so afraid to take my meds.
So I said, don't be afraid to take your meds because ako parang, nung una ganyan din ako, I was so scared to take my meds because akala ko yung mga side effect and all like that. And di ba kinakwento ko nga sa'yo, parang, I don't know what depression meant. I don't even know what boredom means, di ba? Kasi all my life, di ba, parang sa bahay namin, no yung bored. Pag sasabihin mo kagaya ng mga I'm bored. hello, gusto mo sampalin ka ng nanay ko, bored ka dyan. Di ba? Sabi niya, anong bored? Fix your cabinet or clean your room. Parang gano'n. Hindi ka na mabobore niyan. O nga, no? So, I didn't even know about that until Iggy died. So, parang wala, nag-shut down yung buong sistema ko. Tapos, so, that time that I was getting better, I met Hen. So,
Ako naman yung nag-under
go through the
go
same
through
thing.
the
So,
same
sabi ko,
thing.
maybe we were meant to meet because that sealed the deal for both of us.
Kasi
Kasi,
takot ako talaga uminom ng mesa ko, Grace. Is it really okay? Tapos sinasabi niya sa akin,
just
no,
take it.
take it. My mom is taking that same meds for 20 years and she's still
Okay.
alive.
My mom will kill me, okay, guys?
Oh.
My mom will
It's
kill
really
me.
unfiltered.
If she watches this, because I know she will watch this one day. Yeah, I didn't know she was taking. When we were young, tinatago niya pa, she would be cutting all these pills, and she would take it before she sleeps. Rivotril.
Rivotril.
So sabi ko, huwag ka na matakot. Ngayon ko na nga lang naintindihan what that medicine is. Look at my mom. She's 86 and healthy. You just saw her a while
Yes.
ago. Very sharp. She's 86 turning 87. She still goes to 2 offices, di ba? She told you. So the port business, and then we have another family business. Alam nyo, tsaka ko na i-explain lahat ng negosyo ko, baka ma-BIR ako kasi. Yun lang pala yun.
Sasabihin ko ba naman, di ba, like, kakampi mo naman.
Slight.
Slide.
Yeah. So anyway, mamaya ko explain yan. Yes, that's how we start. Yun yung I think that made us close. Kasi, and then there
Or
was a time
closer.
pa, and closer. And then there was a time pa na dumating ho kami, di ba we were so close na kahit hindi tayo nakikita, we feel each other. So one time I would text you or call you, di ba? Hey, Hen, how are you? And then little did I know na you're going through something. Tapos if you didn't call me, I would have done something to hurt myself. I was like, no, don't. So magkikita kami, kahit saan nga kami makapunta, di ba? Makakarating tayo ng, Diyos ko, Day, oo nga, kung saan. Kulang na lang, pati Binondo, patulan natin, basta may bukas na coffee shop, right?
That's why, nag-Alitagtag Batangas po ako.
Yes.
So, ayan, inampo na siya ng Alitagtag. Hanggang sa naampo na siya ng Alitagtag Batangas, ng Alitagtag.
Oh my God.
Kasi lagi siyang nandun doon at sinama ko na siya. At napag-trek ko na siya sa mountain.
Doon ko na-realize yung edad ko, Hen.
Oo. Ako rin naman.
Kasi I would trek with my kids. I am very active, obviously. Pwede ba magbanggit ng name?
This is unfiltered, so...
Okay. So I think that was one thing na nagkasundo kami ni Gabby before. Ayoko na sana ibalik. But we're both outdoor people. So I enjoy our trips in Alitagtag. So one time, sabi ni Hen, alam mo, nung bata kami, bumababa kami dito para umigib ng tubig.
Kasi ang Alitagtag po, tapat siya ng Tagaytay.
Tagaytay Lake.
So we are sharing the same lake. So imagine if you're in Tagaytay, you're gonna go down para makarating ka sa lake. So it's the same thing sa amin. So nandun din kami, tapos kailangan namin bumaba ng bundok para makarating sa lake. So we did that.
Yes. So siguro yung isang oras na pababa, inabot tayo ng
Maikli lang yun.
kakatawa.
Pero
Kakatawa
kasi sobrang
natin.
tawa lang tayo ng tawa habang bumababa.
Ang maganda, sabi niya, alam mo, nung bumababa kami dito, nakachinelas lang kami. Mind you, nakasneakers kami. Nasira ang Adidas at saka ang Nike sa amin.
Pero nakachinelas ako, ha? At that time, nakachinelas ako.
Nakachinelas kami.
Yes, nakachinelas
So
ako.
anyway, pagbaba namin sa Cohen, sigurado ka ba na ito ginagawa mo nung bata ka? Alam ng utak mo yung ginagawa mo, pero hindi na sumusunod yung katawan mo. Oh, my dear Lord God, that was so
sabi
bad.
ko, I know hindi ka na makakakyat. So nag-rent na kami ng bangka.
Bangka yan,
Bangka para maihatid siya sa kabilang
Hindi, okay,
kung saan po pwede ko na siyang sunduin by car.
The worst part, I think, was yung nagdasal na lang akong ganun doon sa tubig. Naubos yung laman ng nung flask ko. Uhaw na ako, di ba? So nakita ko yung spring water. Kaya lang, syempre yung hose, di ba? Sabi ko, may putik-putik.
Maarte ho kasi ito eh.
Hindi.
Pero uminom siya sa spring. I mean, it's
Spring, no,
really
it was
a spring.
Spring water.
Spring
It was
water
good
talaga.
naman, manamis, malinis, and all like that. Pero guys, hindi naman ako sa nagmamaarte. Pero if you see talaga, syempre, yung batya nandun sa
Yes.
lupa, tapos yung hose, and syempre may putik-putik on the side. Syempre yung naiisip ko na parang okay. Ayoko lang na kumulo yung tiyan ko on the way home, no?
Pero hindi ko malon siyan mo.
O hindi,
Ibig
in
sabihin
fairness,
talaga,
hindi. Not at all. Not at all.
malinis ang tubig.
Yes, not
Malinis
at
ang
all. Para ako nag-bottled water to be in a hose. From a hose.
So, ayan po. So, ganyan kami nagkakilala ni Grace. Ganyan kami
Yes.
nagkakilala ni Grace. Hindi pa ako sanay na tumingin sa camera.
Oo
Lagi
nga.
kasi ako nagtatrabaho behind the camera as a director and of course, as a creative head. So, hindi ako sanay na tumitingin sa camera. So, ganyan kami nagkakilala. And I hope ito yung ibibring namin sa inyo as we talk about other
Life,
subjects.
life
about life.
and love
Yeah.
and common sense, which is not too common after all.
Yeah. Na unfiltered, unedited, wala kaming i-edit out. At this is...
Oh my God, this is the craziest.
This is the fun of it kasi siya...
Well, kailangan-
Actually, para sa kanya to. Kasi ang dami niyang binibitawan pagka nag-uusap kami na kung ano-ano na I think it's fun to watch.
Oh my gosh, lahat ho ng kaibigan ko, oh my God, ito na yung aso ko. Wait, you're so chismoso. Okay, good. Put
Kush?
down first. Put down first, Boo Boo. Say hello. Look at my dog. Oh my God. Oh.
Ipapakarga na. Kush.
Oo. No, Kushi. Come on. Later, Boo Boo. I know we're sleeping together. We are sleeping together. Siloso ho. So, ayan. Okay, sit down. Okay, time to sit down. Sit.
Sit, Kush.
Kush, sit down. Oh my God, of course, he's here. Kailangan niya talagang gawin to sa atin, Hen.
Yeah.
So anyway, okay, Hen,
yan.
ano linulook forward mo na gagawin natin? Bilis.
Wala. Ako gusto ko lang maging fun tayo together.
Yes.
Just
Like
have
we
fun.
always do. I mean,
Oo.
pag
Ganito
magkasama
lang
ho
kami
kami.
mag-usap na dalawa. So, we just want to share it with you. And hopefully, kung gaano na kami nag-enjoy together, ma-channel namin pampunta sa inyo.
And
yung
I
fun na
hope,
yun.
and I hope may mapulot silang aral sa buhay natin.
Nagpapakilala pa lang tayo, Grace. Sabi nila siguro, oh my God, ito pang dalawa na to ang pagtsatsagaan nating panoorin. But
Ay,
anyway.
nako, pag hindi niyo ho kami pinagtsagaan, you'll miss a lot.
Yes.
Unang-una, kung napanood niyo na ako dati, kailangan talaga ng Ferrari brakes ang bibig ko. So, I can't. Walang filter sa akin talaga, my God.
Oo. So, yun yung ano. Hindi nga namin alam paano ba sisimulan ng vlog na to. Paano kami magtatapos. So, kagaya ng lahat ng sinasabi ng ibang vloggers at lahat ng mga napapanood natin. So, if you like this kind of video, hit the like button, the subscribe button, ganyan ba yun?
Yes.
Tama ba ang
And
sinasabi
please
ko?
finish it.
Don't skip.
Ah,
Anyway, naririnig ko lang yung don't skip. I don't know why. Because of the minsan naglalagay ng
Ads.
ads.
Tsaka I think
Naka-YouTube,
binibilang ba ng YouTube?
Naka-YouTube.
Binibilang ba yun ng
Premium.
YouTube? Do they know kung you skip or something? Because now sinasabi nila don't skip.
I don't know how it works, really.
Really?
I
Wow,
I
for
don't know.
someone who's been selling.
I really don't know. Basta ang alam ko, sabi nila, if you get 1 million views at least sa US, you get $100. I don't know if that's true. If that's even true. I really don't know.
Well, we will soon find out.
Kung kikita tayo dito, kung hindi, let's just have fun.
Let's just have fun,
Let's
di
just have
ba?
fun. So
Oo
anyway,
nga.
yun, I
Anyway.
guess, till our next vlog, see you all, mga whatever. Ka-whatever.
Yeah, ka-whatever. Kasi ho, yung aming topic, whatever din.
Ka whatever. See you.
See ya! Tingnan niya.